This morning, we're looking at how some police departments are moving forward with reforms on their own, despite the breakdown of congressional efforts to overhaul policing.
Keith Cross is Aurora's chief of police. The 27-year veteran runs the second largest city police department in Illinois.
The uniform can be a barrier to someone who's in crisis, and they don't see the social worker as a threat.
For Chief Cross, that better training is the key.
They're going to play like they practice, and so they're going to take things slow if they can. They're going to try and de-escalate. We're going to use the least amount of force that we have to use.
Just go ahead and drop that knife for me, okay?
The department just started using this immersive virtual reality system.
Got one down.
It can simulate the toughest things cops face,
We're going to get you the help you need.
like how to deal with their own implicit bias, when to use force, and when to back away.
If we can teach the officer to not jump to a lethal level, we got some time, if we got some space on our side, let's use that. And if we can end this thing at a non-lethal level, that's a win-win for everybody involved.
We tried the system.
Sir, I'd like to see your hands.
My hands are right here.
And it becomes very real, very fast.
Sir, stay in the car. Sir, stay in the car.
My response during this simulated traffic stop was to draw my gun when the driver unexpectedly got out of the car. The trainer said that was too early and could have provoked what happened moments later, when the driver pulled out a gun.
Whoa, sir, put the gun down. Put the gun down. It becomes real.
It becomes real, and it's good to watch officers go through that to see how they react to that.
Come on, just do it for me. Drop the knife. Come
You
on.
really do get a sense for how quickly you have to decide what you're going to do.
It looks like they're onto something in Aurora, but you have to have buy-in from the police officers, too.
And you don't always. It's interesting when the chief there says, you know, get with it or get out, and then you see that nationally, a lot of people are retiring or resigning.
Yeah, it's good to see those less lethal vehicles, but I do have family members that work as police officers. They tell me about these confrontations, and they get intense like that. But as long as they have de-escalation tactics, I think they'll have less deaths.
You know, they have seconds to respond. Seconds.
It's
They
a
have
very
to
tough
make a
job.
decision.
Very tough.
It is a very difficult job.